All right, this is the video recording for 2.3 day 2. It's going to be kind of a long video because I'm going to do the math out with you. There are no notes today, just scratch paper. So today is just straight practice, okay? So let's evaluate 9 divided by 4/9. So I'm going to flip back and forth between my scratch paper and my PowerPoint. So 9 divided by 4/9, as you can see. So I have 9 divided by 4/9. 9 as a fraction is 9 over 1. Okay. So I have to keep, change, flip. So this is 9 over 1 times 9 over 4 because I flipped the 4/9. Now you multiply across. 9 times 9 is 81. 1 times 4 is 4. I'm going to do some long division to see if I can figure this out. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 8, 0, drop the 1. I have a remainder of 1. So this is interesting. Actually, I believe it's 20. I always mess up when there's a 20 there, because I know it's not 2, because 4 times 2 is 8, right? So this would be 4 times 20. So this is actually 20 and 1/4. And I can double check. 4 times 20 is 80. 80 plus 1 is 81. So 9 divided by 4/9 is 20 and 1/4. Fun. All right, we're going to just keep doing practice. So I'm also going to fill this out while we do it, right? So 1/6 divided by 6 divided by 6. We have to keep, change, flip. So my question, what is the reciprocal of 6? The reciprocal of 6 is 1/6 because we have 6 over 1, so 1 over 6. So 1 over 6. Now we're going to do, this is not an X, this is supposed to be a division sign. Oh, yeah, just kidding. I confused myself. So the reciprocal of 6 is 6, so we have 1/6 divided by 6. Look at my scratch paper, right? So I have 1/6 divided by, so I have 6 over 1 divided by 6 over 1. Just make them all fractions, right? So now I have to do the first one. Keep, change, flip. 1/6 times 1/6, which equals 2/6. Actually, just kidding. I already messed up again. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 6 is 36. My goodness. So 1/6 times 1/6 equals 1/36. So now blank divided by 6 is also known as what times what. So go back to my scratch paper. So I'm going to rewrite my expression. I have 1/36 divided by 6 over 1. Keep, change, flip. 1/36 times 1/6, right? So now 1/36 divided by 6 is also known as 1/36 times 1/6. So what's the answer before simplifying? What did we get for our answer? It was 1/36 times 6 is 2/16. I actually just know that. So the answer before simplifying is 1/2/16. You can't simplify that, so the answer in simplest form is 1/2/16. There you go. Let's keep going. According to Gemma, what we must do first. So this is 7/8 minus 3/8 divided by 9. So do we do minus or do we divide first? According to Gemma, we must divide first. So what is 3/8 divided by 9? Question, right? Let's look at our notes, or our scratch paper. What was the question again? I already forgot. 3/8 divided by 9 over 1. So keep, change, flip. 3/8 times 1/9. 3 72s. So it is 3 72s, right? So I'm going to rewrite my problem. And I did that on the next slide. Right, so now it's 7/8 minus 3 72s. In order to add or subtract fractions, the denominators must be the same. So we have to rewrite the expression so that the denominators are the same. My expression is, what was it? 7/8. Okay. So we have 7/8 minus 3 72s. I know that 8 can get multiplied by 9. So if I times 9, I gotta do to the top. 7 times 9 is 63 over 72 minus 3 over 72. Same denominator. 63 minus 3 is 60. So let's find that in simplest form. 60 and 72. They're both even numbers, so I can divide them by 2 to get 30. And I believe this is 36. They're both even numbers. I can do it again. 15 and 18. They don't go into 2, but 15 and 18 both go into 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 5 is a prime number, so you cannot go any farther. So our answer is actually 5/6 in simplest form. So it's 60 over 72 in not simple form. And then in simplest form, it was 5/6. Okay, we're almost done. One more problem, and then you're free to go work. We're just practicing. All right, so according to Gemma, what do we do first? We have 3/14 multiplied by 2/5 divided by 6/7. Well, according to Gemma, multiplication and division hold the same weight. So we do the first one from left to right. So in this case, that would be multiplication. Multiplication. So then we'll do the first two numbers. We will do 3/14 times 2/5. Let's do that on our scratch paper. What is 3/14 times 2/5? 3 times 2 is 6. 14 times 5. Let me get my handy dandy calculator. It is 70. 6/70. So it is 6/70. Now I'm going to rewrite my problem. Instead of 3/14 times 2/5, I'm going to put 6/70. So keep, change, flip. 6/70 divided by 6/7. So 6/70 divided by 6/7. I must keep, change, flip. 6 times 7 is 42. 70 times 6 is 420. Okay. Now we must find the GCF and divide by the GCF. Fun fact. I can see that 42 and 420th have this 42 in common, right? 420 is just 42 times 10. That's what it is. Anything with a 0, you can just do that number times 10. So if I divide both numbers by 42, I would get my answer. I could also do it with the GCF. I might as well just do it with the ladder method, since that's the way that we've been learning it, right? So 42 and 420 we can divide by 2. 42 divided by 2 is, it is late in the day, 21. 420 divided by 2 is 210. I can divide it by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 210 divided by 7 is 70. Okay. 7 is now a prime number, and we have 7 and 70. But we can divide it by 7. If I divide by 7, 7 divided by 7 is 1. And 70 divided by 7 is 10. So my final answer, oh, I didn't realize you couldn't even see. My bad. That happens all the time. So I put a 3 out here. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 210 divided by 3 is 70. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 70 divided by 7 is 10. So my answer is 1/10. Right, so before simplifying, we had 42 over 420. In simplest form, that is 1/10. Alright, assignment. Go finish your 2.2, 2.3 practice from yesterday on Big Ideas Math. Big Ideas Math. Yep. That's all I got for you today. Just some extra practice on Gemma with fractions. So, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a wonderful day.